Hey everyone, it's your boy Odin from Host.Promo, and in this video I'm going to be giving you an amazing Siteground promotion, and I'm also going to be going over the top 6 reasons why I think Siteground is the best web host in the world. And if you don't know what Host.Promo is, it's a website to find the best web hosting companies and promotions. And we also have a mobile app on the Android Google Play Store that you can download and check out. In today's promotion, I will have a link in the description as well as the pinned comment, and it will get you 70% off plus a free SSL certificate. And this promotion is for 2020. If you're coming at a later date of this video, I will make sure to keep the link updated so you always get the best promotion, okay? And I'm going to be going over now the top 6 reasons why I think Siteground is the #1 host in the world. And you can also see on my website, out of all the web hosts we have listed, we have Siteground #1. The first reason is WordPress.org. They power about 30% of all websites in the world, and they have reviewed thousands and thousands of web hosting companies, and this is on their official website. They actually recommend Siteground, okay? Siteground specializes in WordPress, and even if you don't have WordPress, it's still an absolute amazing host, okay? The second reason is their customer support, okay? I've dealt with a lot of hosting companies, and a lot of hosting companies actually do have very fast support where they respond to you within 5-10 minutes, 24/7 of the year. The problem is a lot of web hosting support, they're not super technical. However, the people at Siteground who are on their support team are very technical, so if you're having an issue, not only will they respond in a couple minutes, chances are they will actually resolve and fix that problem within minutes, okay? And they have live chat available, they have phone support, and you can fill out a help desk ticket, okay? And they'll get responses to you very, very fast. On top of that, they also are experts in helping people migrate their websites. So if you have a website on another web host and you want to move over to Siteground, they will actually help you do that for free. However, that's only for most of their plans. If you buy their smallest plan, you will not get the free migration. However, they've built a tool for WordPress where you can easily migrate your website, okay? So they make migrating your site very easily, and their customer support is literally top notch, guys. The third reason why I think Siteground is one of the best web hosting companies is because they give you a free SSL certificate. So a lot of companies are charging anywhere from $40 to $100 to make your site HTTPS and to make it secure. However, Siteground will do that for you for free if you use the promotion down below. The next reason why I think Siteground is awesome is their dynamic caching plugin, okay? I know there's a lot of caching plugins already out there for WordPress. However, Siteground's custom plugin is specifically built for their servers and their environment, and it will make your website so fast. It's absolutely amazing. And the fifth reason why I think Siteground is the best web hosting company is their tools, okay? The one-click staging tool they have, basically what it does is say you want to test something on your site, you want to test a new plugin, but you don't want to do it when your site is live. You can basically click and clone your stage in one tool, and it will give you a new URL you can go to, and that's basically now your test site where you can make changes, etc. And once you see the changes are good to go, you can press one button and push it and publish it to your live site. And they also have other tools similar to this, like Git integration, etc., etc. So they've built a lot of really cool tools to improve your life when you're building your website. Okay, and the last reason is they have an amazing money-back guarantee. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee on their shared hosting plans and a 15-day money-back guarantee on their cloud hosting plans. So if you're not fully satisfied, you can get your money back. They put their money where their mouth is because they know they have a good product. And I have referred many people, and I can tell you very few of those people refund, okay? Most people who join Siteground are very happy, okay? And I know this because Host.Promo, I sign up people to all sorts of web hosting companies, but a lot of web hosting companies have pretty high refund rates. But that is not the case with Siteground. I think it's actually the lowest refund rate out of all the web hosting companies I promote. And so I would highly recommend Siteground. A lot of people are super happy with them. There's a reason I have them #1. There's a reason WordPress recommends them. If you have any questions about Siteground, just leave it down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer it. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to check out my website, Host.Promo, if you want to find the best web hosting companies and promotions. And I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, and I wish you the best of luck with the Siteground promotion. Peace out.